Good morning, gang. Carl Wine here. The Zupka car, I'm buttoning it up, but there is more to do. There's Z28 gauge cluster. And later I'm going to get some new fuel injectors, so I don't know why I put the beauty trim covers on, but it makes it look a lot more finished. I wired the tack wire. I like to make a termination, a disconnect, so that you can disconnect it if you're doing maintenance instead of having to cut the wire. You know, you can take this whole harness and leave the tack wire there. It goes into red 13. This one here, red 13. It's labeled blank in the 94, 95 Impala, but that's the tack signal, and that's going to go to the gauge cluster. It's also going to go to a SunPro tack. Well, final tuning will be when I get fuel injector solutions 50 pound/hour injectors. Those are coming in a couple days. But this car is almost done. I've got to swap the headers and do the gauge cluster. All right, a shout out to Dan Ferrero at CIA, Clear Image Automotive. The new generation tri-wide headers have excellent quality, but most importantly, bolt access is, every single one is easy to get to, and spark plug access is really, really good. See this right here, where you can get to the plug and the bolt on much easier. Not as simple as circle track headers, but these are great. Good job, Dan. Thanks.